In continuation of the chapter 2 from Hornbill, that the uh, businessman found the boat mainsail frames were smashed and which was to the keel यानी पूरी तरह से डैमेज हो गया था. इनफैक्ट इट वॉज नथिंग टू होल सेक्शन ऑफ द हाइंड पार्ट ऑफ द शिप एंड दे हैड सर्वाइव्ड फॉर 15 आवर्स सिंस द वेव हिट. और उन्होंने 15 घंटे तक वेव जो हिट किया था सी वेव उसका सामना किया. बट वेव वॉकर would not have hold together long enough for us to reach Australia. He seemed that he thought that Wave Walker the boat would not be good enough to reach them Australia. पूरी तरह से ऑस्ट्रेलिया नहीं पहुंचाने की योग्य होगी. He checked chart rooms and calculated their two small islands for a few hundred kilometers apart to the east. और उसने कैलकुलेट किया कि दो स्मॉल आइलैंड्स मीन्स द्वीप समूह वहाँ से थोड़ी किलोमीटर की डिस्टेंस पर थे. वन ऑफ देम नेम्ड वाज आइल आम्स्टरडम विच वाज ए फ्रेंच साइंटिफिक बेस एंड ही होप दैट ही वांटेड टू reach the small area pinprick means small area to the vast sea, but unless and the great wave had put on that the auxiliary means helping engine out of order. On January 4, after 36 hours of continuous pumping out of the water that remained few centimeters, and they had developed the pressure on the damaged section of the hull apart means the base of the boat. So they hoisted the storm jib and for the sake of reaching Australia, that scientific base. And Mary, the wife, that brought corned beef means salted beef. Salted means नमक लगा हुआ गाय का कच्चा मांस and cracker biscuits, crunchy munchy biscuits she brought, and they ate for the first time meal in 2 days period. And but their respite, that respite was pleasure only for a short lived. ये थोड़ी देर के लिए था. At 4 p.m. In the evening, suddenly the clouds began to build up, and within an hour the wind speed became high and reached 40 knots, and the sea was getting higher. Sea waves were getting higher. बहुत ऊंची ऊंची लहरें उठने लगी. The weather continued to fall bad, deteriorated, पूरी तरह से ख़राब हो गया for the whole night. By January 5, the situation was again set, which now then when the narrator reached to ask the welfare of the children, Jonathan asked then his father, addressing, Daddy, were they going to die at the time? He tried to assure him that they could make it. He tried to say that, but he could not speak, being emotional. And he continued, Jonathan means 6 years old child, continued, but Daddy, he went on, they were going to die of that, all we together, if we together. This line has been taken as the title of this chapter. You means his father, his mother, Susan, elder sister, and he himself. I could not find no words. He became emotional to answer, and he left the children's cabin and fight against the rough weather of the sea. The खराब weather को protect the weakest starboard hind part of the that ship. He decided to just now stop the ship within that. He wanted to save the undamaged part of the ship on going the strongest waves. पूरी तरह शक्तिशाली वेव से बचाना चाहता था. For this purpose, he lowered down the heavy nylon rope and two 22-liter plastic barrels of filled with paraffin just as the anchor to stop the boat. रोकने के लिए बीच में वो अंदर की तरफ रस्सी को नीचे डाला. That evening, Mary and sat together holding hands. That evening, Mary, his wife, and the narrator himself sat together, and they were thinking about the ship's motion, and more water was going to fill in that from the broken wooden part of the ship. That they felt that the end was near, the death was near. They all would be dead. But Wave Walker rode out the storm, but Wave Walker gave that is a help to them against the storm. And the morning on January 6th, with the wind, it became easing means comfort. Then a narrator, businessman, the captain of the boat, father of them decided and tried to reading the on the sextant about the comfort. Sextant is a kind of machine which tells about the speed and the direction. Back he came back in class chart room and he worked on the wind speed to be continued on tomorrow, students.